morning. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Darren and I normally go to a Mexican restaurant today because we love the food that comes from south of the border. But today, well, it's 2020. I don't need to say anymore. So we have prepared, Darren prepared this. I made Mexican cookies that aren't ready yet. Anyway, just wanted to wish you a happy Cinco de Mayo and tell you, enjoy every holiday. Embrace it, get every smile, get every joy you can out of life. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.